What's up, you guys? Anzaldo back here with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the real truths of the music business and how to avoid burning out. Alright guys, so first of all, the music industry is not a mysterious entity that exists to frustrate you. Stop pretending like it's such an evil thing. No, it's not evil if you know what you're doing. The music business, it is made up of people who are just like you that love music. Alright, next. There are no bigger fans of music besides those who make it than the people who work in the industry. People that work in the industry love music just as much as you do, or else they wouldn't be there. Alright, 4. A long career in the industry requires co-collaborations, so working with others. Your fans don't purchase your music by accident. No one buys anything by accident. If people aren't affected by your music in a positive way, then you have nothing. Don't believe the hype. There is still a lot of money to be made. You just need to be more educated and learn how to actually make money and how the whole system works. Alright guys, so how to avoid burning out. Number 1, acknowledge the little victories. Little wins are still wins, no matter how big or small. A W is a W. Number 2, prioritize. Remember what's important to you and why it's important and why you're doing what you're doing. Don't let, the bad days wear you out, take you down, and not get yourself back up. Number 3, reset. Go for a walk. Go for a run. You always, if you need to reset, go ahead and do it. Anything to keep you going. Number 4, disconnect. I believe, some people need to disconnect in order to function properly. And hey, if that's you, it's alright. Just go ahead and do it properly. Set up a day. Maybe it's on Sundays, one day where you don't think about business at all. Just go out with friends, family, loved ones, spend time. You will notice that this will actually help you with your creativity. Because when you come back, you will be well rested and